Amazon sellers, we would all love to know, how do we make more sales from our listings? It's the number one thing people spend hours trying to figure out, and it's really hard to do on your own. I've designed a 2-day workshop on this exact topic of optimizing your listings. So I'm really hoping that you'll join me to find out more. So over the 2 days, we'll be conducting the workshop as a live Zoom presentation. So you'll jump on board and it will be really interactive. We've got lots of content to share, and I've worked with hundreds of clients working out what works, what doesn't work, and I'm bringing all that knowledge for you to learn from. On the first day, we're going to be covering off topics about keyword research and building a keyword bank, which is really important, and it's a great tool that you can use in other areas. We're going to look at a pricing strategy and how to take your keywords and update your copy. On day 2, we're going to be looking at your A+ content, your images, and brand registry, and how that plays an important part as your visual representation on Amazon. We're then going to look at reviews, variations, and promotions, and find out how they all play a part and what you can do to implement them easily. We've also got bonus material, and we're going to work through how do you find where to optimize all those aspects on your Seller Central account. We're going to look at some tools that you can use to make sure that the changes you make are the correct ones. There's so much content and there's something for everyone. So if you're a seasoned seller that's already got listings that are well and truly set up and they've been there for a while, there's still something in this for you. Find out ways you can improve your listings to bring in more profits. Don't leave the profits on the table. And if you're a brand new seller or you've just got started, there's definitely something in this for you. So we're going to walk through every aspect so that you've got all the information that you can go away and put in place straight away. So I'm really hoping that everyone will join me for this 2-day workshop. I'm really excited to meet everyone and get started to share this knowledge and information. So you can register below, and I look forward to seeing you all there.